Here in Tandag, nestled in the heart of Surigao del Sur, we find more than just beauty. We find a sacred journey. It was a quiet afternoon, just one of those days where you walk without a plan. While walking in the streets of Tandag City, I passed by Auntie selling buko juice. I didn't buy any, but I couldn't help but smile back at hers. Across the street stood the old Cathedral of Tandag. It felt like it was calling me, so I crossed and decided to go in. I walked in slowly, sat down, and let the silence do the talking. Sometimes a quiet church holds the words you couldn't say. Inside, I saw something unexpected. The Holy Youth Cross, currently visiting parishes in the Diocese of Tandag, and beside it, San Pedro Calungsod, the patron of young people. A blessed coincidence. Before I left, I lit a candle. I whispered a short prayer for strength, for direction, and for simple moments like this that ground the soul. I came out with nothing in my hands but a little more peace in my heart. This wasn't part of my plan today, but maybe it was part of God's.